Mema Obibi Akwaba about GBC News, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Remo. The president now the Akufo-Addo or CCC I am a program no of a Sakobo BCA Bium Ewo international market. Sansem no Kevin react ama wa to be the amane no. Sausu and a year Vim lady Afia Pokuaa Kevin say over reporter no at the number CSI. Homeland Security, then of him lady I the nina Bremo. Now because say we can subscribe to the channel now, message say over subscribe. O click subscribe button now wabele notification. We had this video for bia you be upload no. Also when sa ebeke. I feel we are now like video no. What my thumbs up now fe what share ama of so any be a share. Afia yanko semimo. The president Nana Akufo-Addo or CSI US program no of a Sako international market as Sako Bobisia to support infrastructural projects. Now what they say we need to Diablo copy or a Qatar 1 year economic forum be a hot no day sensible Akoto. Then some no to Ghana Kevin reacted now answer the Kevin reaction and being ready Huns and Sammy Babaro. Moment share a year they can share a story. A better wanting a fast answer here, the president, Nana Akufo-Addo, Eddie Kotuja. I don't know what screen is so or say we will soon return to the international market to borrow Akufo-Addo. Now, you share the details of the story. Or say, President Nana Akufo-Addo has revealed plans to return to the international market to borrow to fund infrastructural projects. Following the successful completion of the Ghana's $3 billion deal with the International Monetary Fund (IMF), just as he say a day IMF funds and semi abaye and ye akunyaba and the mesako international market na masako bobisiana media support infrastructure project. Na ye name say a car ya bobisia ya boy car da kokura ye Owusu say China for Nigeria nyuma no bebre afa. Wo sako international market asako bobisia bi. Or say, speaking at the Qatar Africa Economic Forum in Doha, Mr. Akufo-Addo said even though his government is in no rush to return to the international market, it makes sense to take advantage of the market now and make some savings within and some year the president Eddie Etuja. Now, answer the Kevin reaction about Kevin just say or better report to a Vim lady Afia Pokuaa. What you say, or better portono, ama CSI, Homeland Security. What you say, Bim lady in Katasimbi Wahasi. Now, Obecha say yes, Obemanasa Konechi, or better portono. Now, yes, Semren, Yeti Kevin reaction the president, Nana Akufo-Addo, name some of the Kotuja, Ewo, Qatar, economic forum, Kupiasian, and some of the Tuja. Inti reaction and normal no the Vim ladies who ends and 7 no ebe tuja. Inti Kevin Taylor ni and 7 no.
Any ejuma ya fa nipa ya form labor ejuma fa ono na da no Federation of Labor omo ya fa for ejuma Ghana nyina omo ku no na da no say na dan kwa Akufo-Addo NPP no IMF sika no mbedi papa pegini na e ka kire no munko di na tam. That Obi said, will IMF allow? It does not matter whether they allow or not to. Every single cent that comes, they will chop it. They don't care. Now, where the name is Rekeke, moment kwenim. Nana Akufo-Addo has spoken. I say, we will soon return to the international market to borrow. So I'm for last me catch them. Anytime I'm better word be a friend international market, ni na say. Omo to me kind of ebi almost say international capital market. Ebi also almost say international market. So I'm for be boarding in out of far. Nana Akufo-Addo say, omo besa ko aburuchira ko bobesia be pieso. When I'm going to know, when I am a damono, Akufo-Addo, wasa kwa kotina bruche, wakotina Dubai o saying fa asaka chire wi ase say oh, se see the area IMF adwuma ne de, ye say kwa ko bobesia, ye kwa bruchira ko boru. Osoro international market, what is wame a wonte ase. What kumewu a wonte ase. What yanyanchira no a wonte ase. Akufo-Addo capital market ne say, omo de Ghana kosia wa wabiem, omo koji broni sika. Nyansa edi buman we mo ni bi omuntie Akufo-Addo obeka brofo me wi amatire chirem ema munyina matem ho ase eye okponie muntie okpo.
Before the COVID pandemic, the Ghanaian economy had achieved macroeconomic stability and was in the process of rapid growth. Come the the COVID-19 pandemic, followed, of course, by the Russia-Ukraine disaster. I don't think we can call it any other way. It had tremendous impact on our economy.
Right.
Suddenly, we were facing major challenges on our balance of payments. Our currency went into a steep decline. Interest rates went out of the window. Inflation, all the indices that had been worked on. And that is what basically forced us to go to seek the assistance of the fund. Right. We went in July last year. Right. And it has taken us July to May to secure a program. We had a staff level agreement with the fund in December. Right. It's a relatively quick period. And finally in May, we've secured the fund.
What do you attribute the delays to?
I think it's the usual negotiations with the IMF. They take time. And in fact, the 10 months which has been involved in the Ghanaian program is one of the fastest on record. There's a whole lot of stuff that you have to go through in terms of exchange of data, the negotiations, making sure that the macro indices that you are looking for are in the right direction. All of these are the ones that consume the time. But nevertheless, it's over. And now we believe that it is going to provide us with a foundation for redirecting the economy, repositioning the Ghanaian economy, firstly, to regain the macro stability that had been lost. Secondly, to be able to have a better control over important data like interest rates, inflation. And then finally also to position us to be able to go back into the international capital market, which had been a source of funding for us for the first 3 or 4 years of our us to be able to go back into the international capital market, which had been a source of funding for us for the first year, also to position us to be able to go back into the international capital market, which had been a source of funding for us for the first 3 or 4 years of our also to position us to be able to go back into the international capital market, which had been a source of funding for us for the first 3 or 4 years. Also to position us to be able to go back into the international capital market, which had been a source of funding for us for the first 3 or 4 years of our.
So the OTA and another Akufo-Addo say IMF sikari akwagino yabeto to nyoma sene be ya yesi an ready say yes aba be capital market o kasa capital market abo kumewufo muntie monte brofo no aminchire munchire mo mugu ekurase wo na yetumfo a mo se obi tan asantefo obi tan akamfo mo de monya ye tan asantefo tan akamfo sa Yesu beba na egumfuturom kumewufo muntie swamefo de omo tie brofo a ene swamefo oba class omo no di first into omo ye be best student and they say kumewufo mu na edurum so brofo a na Akufo-Addo ka moti kumewu twisoro kwa ma moto nyina fo twum e de say Kwaku-Addo bi na ende ekomasa ekwan ne awie de na Akufo-Addo ka nyina ne say o say se de akwa IMF ekwan na say bie yesa akwa besia na kobo besia na ho na betua wona anadwu da eye kumewu na yedumu light no wona anadwu da kumewu na ochina yebeje light bill na yede koma China fo no wona wuti kumewu na sesia na ochina income tax wa wuti kumewu na ochina woni de obedi no wona wo betua ojensa wo ye meko o ya wo ho enti kumewufo ende enchire mu na ma ya chire mu no yesa akobo besia ye de ba ye ba be pem so sa for more ye kam asema mo se yedidi asantefo atem ye kam asema Kevin Takamfo ye kam asema yedidi otumfo atem mo na mo betua ma moto apepa otumfo ro ntua bio ya asantefo ye betino hiema ama ho aprope prasa apofi because ya adwene se ye ntoa ba emfa mpunti omafie omo mo kumewu amoto abapa na omo nim omo ho omo sere na mo amoto nkwase aba no mugum chance man for 9000 ye hwehwe omo papa na oka se Akufo-Addo mukwa akwaji eye IMF sikara bidin papa ro nie asem no no oka o say
who are in front? Why are you quiet? What is happening? You guys, you must wake up because look, we don't want any intervention from anywhere. We as citizens have the right to rise up and hit the street. Let them know. That will really change their thinking. Because the way, look, you issue statements, your open statements, and these interviews, and we'll be talking, attacking them. They don't care. They don't care. But if there is some reaction from the people who are suffering, we must have in the street. You see, don't sit there and say, what is happening? We don't want any uniformed person to come.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are
our future.
watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
To protest continuously. That's what we must be doing. We are talking. We are just talking, as if nothing is happening. Look, this IMF money. You wait and see.
What will happen to it?
They will chop all.
Who will chop it?
But this branded, they have started bringing branded this thing. You must know that from these things, I get the money, and this is not the end of it. As if nothing is happening. Look, this IMF money. You wait and see.
What will happen to it?
They will chop all.
Who will chop it?
But this branded, they have started bringing branded this thing. You must know that it's happening. Look, this IMF money. You wait and see.
What will happen to it?
They will chop all.
Who will chop it?
But this branded, they have started bringing.
Obareja. Openjiro omugo na tewanyame. Osi you wait and see. But for to ambassador, this IMF money, they will chop it. I say who will chop it? Also, can't you see Bawumia's branded pickups? They are coming. They will use all to go and buy a new campaign. They will this IMF money, Amoba kumewuno, o usika na omoche, mo Jimmy. Ghana for ye tumufo na mo Jimmy na mo ka age, we di usa. We di ade na wo ka sei. Enye age ni ade bra wo. Eye nyansa, ye wakora we Jimmy ni opanyini ya we Jimmy. Ye wakora nyansafo ni opanyini nyansafo. This IMF money, Mr. Crab. Crab story no. Koto enye trade na vusemu jira koto enye trade. Koto no etwa punk. Ena watu ase ena wetwa de synchronise kwase ampagi na owie yankofo video ena di tutu soro koto abetiri echenseberebe otumi so obi dan kosi eye de denchembo so koto etumi kono munsuo ema eye de nwa ebetwebuko de na koto tumi nye Akufo-Addo story de bi na wetivu no koto story no. This Koto story you will see it will come to pass. It is true. Koto carried a house. It is true. Koto drank every water in the stream. It is true. Akufo-Addo will build free SHS. It is true. Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo, he will give everybody 1 million. It is true. Akufo-Addo and the MPP, they said one district, one factory. It is true. These liars, they will come and tell you everything. It is true. Yet, yeah. You got a great Jimmy, and I did. You come with him, you are Santifor, you come with him, you are Camfor, you come with him, you are the attempt, you see it here. Akufo-Addo so Kwaku Bobisia I am a voice catch Ghana for say yen to me embo besia biam to 2027 Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo ono onum wi onim de ekọ ono oyewi ni o okotena UK wi no onom ya ne siase nyina sei ena wa hyehyɛ ne sen o terminator ever ready button ya package eche no ma download okotena ni tisa de toa onim nyansa bi adibu mayo ya kana monte ase Joe Biden grade na tem moa akwana Jimmy ya ka chem say enkofo wentumi moa hwa ho kyerɛ ga beto so and there tia ya see Ukraine war Russia and ya see COVID-19 hwade before I go on this see this me kyerɛ ekura nyansa fo team ohun. This is the Vice President of the United States of America. Osidi 12.7 million jobs have been created since we took office. Omni Akufo-Addo about office the same time. Na broni oya nyankopon ni kosia. Dia na brofo aye ni bi ye Jimmy ntra. Jimmy na ye Jimmy. Omo ba office the same time Akufo-Addo ba office. COVID-19 ba na nkofo yi nipa omu wu America bi ewu Ghana. Kwasiafo ye kase mo mpanifo ni bi Jimmy a osi ye muade. And the okasa na no wedding. Na me ne nyansafo na tie o. Omo bu nyansaman. Me kire mu se ende omo mu di monim no omo Jimmy. Kobubo chaos na kwatenem. 12.7 million jobs have been created since we took office. 253,000 jobs were added just last month. The unemployment rate fell to 3.4%. And we mono omon Jimmy to say Bawumia ombekasa anyhow. Go to the statistics. It is there. Omwa hunipa omo sora na mahwe nkwase asuta ba ha se omo ba abrofo ha begiska na abrofo no de omo Jimmy. Abrofo mu nya adwuma. And then obi ka bibi say adan na eye Akufo-Addo mo African leaders especially Akufo-Addo oba abrochi na abrofo na abone besia. Let me tell you. China omo business no omo you. Some mpedifo na Jimmy a omo ba 100 times omo be mesi 100 times. On sende mo gudi a wasa asena sinya China for ebetuma age. Eye mo oil ni nyina China for beje otumfo sika kokoti so no and China for dia. It also me tell mo say and obi be di president ni bia san kwase asem we nsi. Enti so obi abana san kwase asem we si a we Jimmy. Enti ayana sa asena mo kan say eye den ayana abrofo no still a omo ma ye loan. Abrofo na wo say ye mpanifo na Jimmy. Eye simplicity. Omo be suit omo be num George omo ne ajantra fo beda omo ba omo de egudie ba besia wa meje abrofo no mo njimi ye omo hu say ye mpanifo na Jimmy. And ye mpanifo no nkofo we no mo Jimmy chen de omo ba ni nyina eni ntine ye wa ha enti ye kasa asem na mo mpanifo am Ghana mo nje mene akora wa Jimmy no be panyi Jimmy fo ntine ye tia Obi any Akufo-Addo by office the same time. COVID-19 see and almost wouldn't say Russia Ukraine war affected America and Ghana. Do you know that? It affected the United States of America and Ghana. And so mu create juma kwasi afoti Ghana say I grow yakobom paye Jimmy ni e ka was we nini mo dia mo nye serious on and them no ka say obabi da form obabi wo oda form ye do mobilite oxygen sin so wewu. And every 3 days, enkwara miensa said, I'm hospital, you do light to move. Kwasiafo, mo amosu munim nyansa na, ye de ye di atam, munim nyansa chance ankofo no. Mo ye nipa chen omo. Mama ma ye bumfu. Mama ma ye bumfu na sa Jimmy Kasa na motete Ghana ho kan de ye nti yo. Sa Jimmy Kasa na ye nti ye ehia untira, ho nkyere wo da. Me no ka say obi ire wu hospital. Adentia hospital no koye no na oba ni nya empampo so na Kwasiafo tete Jubilee House ka kire me say momo tete Ghana say ye mu ade mo bodam me yere be wo ha a whole room belong to her enemy a room that has bathroom, it has bed, it has all the bed and equipment en Kwasiafo mo free Ghana mo ti abrochire emwa na mo fi kankan na mo Ghana fo betra abrochire na mo say Akufo-Addo Jimmy o meso so no omo yere no mo efe wa abrochire a mo musa mo say omo da form emwa ma Mama tina brochire yen kasa na efie nyoma nsesa mo de mo kwasia na mo tribe gugu ha mo hu fin said the Kevin Taylor di nkwasiafo atem ade na muntu nkotena Ghana ekua poki otena Peace FM keka nkwasiasem ope bebi afia to no obefe to America busansade na onkoye otena ma ba kire mo document bi how I am going to report ekua poki to the CSI America Homeland Security Sibia abetina kurum ha o tua be ma sika ma na ye pepa ma no me se ochina be ba bekire bu baby Akua pocket sebia o kurum ha o tua sika pay money to get documentation. I will show her say me Jimmy go back and stay in the mud. O vim lady wa be sa wa be wo o de be mate o pay me aye pepa ma o tua e kurum ha me kire say mra ye adwuma ko nwura nim na ko wo na mo TV so na mo kan kwase asem ye si eye Legon University Hospital Mose yanka Akufo-Addo ono ana ye si chip compounds yanka ye asantefo ye akanfo ye si schools yanka kwasiafo ope baby awode obewo America enyem na moti Ghana ka se ye Jimmy ete ha no enyem na moti Ghana TV so radio so e ka se Kevin Taylor te America Interpol nkoforemra mu nyina he ma word na kamitirim ka word na kan be use na ke TV ni dum sidi Moji see Jimmy yohu. Moji see a bodam ne sorry na betena very dirty people. Me see anadwi oba bi ewu e wo hospital adan a awo ankobe wo afa ne ho afa ne ba no kwase ampanyi bi te Ghana. Ye dum light kwase ampanyi bi te Ghana hospital empani wo. We use $6 million amane yiresi restaurant. We use $6 million amane buy si restaurant wo eye enkran. Oti Kumasi di me matem o bodam. Yes a tribe ne ebewe. Wonkwa na wo tribe. Wonkwa na wo yakani. Me yakani te se wa. Oncheme Moji see Jimmy on. Moji see ye Jimmy ye moa. Me see Akua poki. O de he. O pa wetu wetu ya nende enya pepana. E krom ha emra ensio. Embra ensio. Sa sika na wutu agye pepa wa ha no. Be ma na won ne te wona mo ye connection agye pepa no. Me se metire wo.
Yo, it's for Winnie and summer year. Kevin Taylor edit to Jar watch say or very reported a vim lady ama a CSI Homeland Security for what documents be all your hasi or very reported. So and I Kevin Taylor reacted to the president that I read Akufo-Addo on CSI I am a program ready of the Kwaku Annan international market. And no na Kevin Taylor reacted ya want to be at the man no because GC so and I so when you subscribe ya message say obe subscribe now like it now share video no am offer for so any be ahwe also bet me akere wadwen afa ensem we nyina e wo comment box ni mo bete minka bio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.